elder and a non-leader in the state to say a word or two on the progress we have made.
Thank you. Oh, my name is Chief Ambrose Muzi Obugechi. Well, just like the last speakers have said, we are here for peace. Some of us who are believers of the governor have agreed to make peace because there is nothing more bigger than peace. And for the discussion so far held, I think we are going to the right direction. Wherever you see 2-3 persons being together for a period of 6 months without having disagreement, it simply means that there are deaf and dumbs around them. Since we are not deaf and dumb, time have come when we have to look for peace for the welfare and benefit of this state. And our leader has spoken, and our overall leader have equally accepted that there is need for all of us to reconcile. And I can tell you, we have reconciled. All we are waiting for now is for the Honorable Minister to put the seal on the reconciliation which has been ongoing for the past few weeks now. So thank you, and God bless all of us. The Rivers State.
Yes, good afternoon.
Can you please brief us the recent meeting just had with Excellency?
Yes, I'm sure Rivers people will be very curious to understand exactly what we have been talking about. As everybody knows, this is the Reconciliation Committee, Reintegration Committee, I would say, of the Rainbow Coalition, as was announced by our leader, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. So we have been meeting to work out the modalities of how we're all going to work together. And we're all in agreement, and we have made very, very good progress. So I know that this will be very good news for all Rivers people who are interested in the unity, progress, and prosperity of Rivers State. Our coming together signals a significant shift in the political atmosphere of the state. And we believe that all well-meaning Rivers people will be very happy to see that finally the peace that all Rivers people crave for is here in the interest and benefit of our people. Anybody else has anything to say? Thank you very much. Like we have all said, that is a position, and we want Rivers people to be aware of the direction in which the state is moving. God bless you all. Thank you.
First of all, I want to thank God Almighty that we are alive to witness today. I also want to thank our leader. My name is Dr. Magnus Samuel, the Zonal Public Secretary of APC in South Zone. I want to thank our leader, the FCT Minister, former Governor of Rivers State, for making it possible to send a clear message to the people of Rivers State that there is nothing that will happen that we cannot resolve as Rivers people. And there is nothing that is sweet or better for us to be together. Like you know, we are one family. And in a family, people will disagree. And because of that love that binds you together, you will find time to come together and unite. I also want to thank the Governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, for making it possible, for making the door open for us to come and meet with him and talk like brothers. I'm so excited. The last meeting went well. Today went extraordinarily well. And it shows clearly to the people of Rivers State that the family is back, sincerely back. And soon they will see the working of the Rainbow Coalition, and Rivers State will give them the dividends they've been expecting from all angles of democracy. Well, thank you for listening to us.
Thank you very much. We have made tremendous progress. Don't forget that originally we are of the same family. Now, Rivers people are aware of little squabbles, which I will I will refer to as family disagreements. We have met, we have resolved. You have heard from His Excellency over and over that he's a member of the APC. He's not decamping to any other political party. Candidates have emerged, and that he is going to support all the candidates of the party. So we are here as elders, as leaders, to discuss on how to ensure that every member of the family, both from the both sides, are fully integrated. There will be no discrimination against anyone. Everybody will be treated equally, respectfully, and as a member of the original family, as led by His Excellency, our leader, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. By the next process, I am sure that the governor himself and the minister will address Rivers people. I want to assure us that we have made tremendous progress.